11 in CSS has really helped me understand code because before my website looked just like this with no CSS at all. It was really boring and I didn't really understand why we'd make it. But after I added CSS and all of the color and everything, it made the website more entertaining and more.
Lesson 11 gives me a better understanding on how to personalize your code, because if you don't have CSS or any color or personalization, it's really boring and blank. It's just black and white. Same font size for pretty much everything.
An image you can also change, or a heading, you can also change the border, which is the outside of it. So you can, I can have the border color be yellow, and then change it to yellow. And I can have the width be 100 pixels, which would make it 100 pixels. And I can change the style of the border style, which would be, I can make it dashed, which would make the style of my border dashed. And I can make the radius of I can change the radius to 100 pixels, which would make the round instead of square. If I change it back to 10, it would become a square. CSS is a language of coding in which you can add style to your website, and you can add style by changing the background color. So here it says background dash color, and it has a colon, and then between the colon and the semicolon I could type red, and it would change the entire background of the website to red. Or
you can change the margin with, I put mine on 20 pixels, which that's what
Can you change it and alter it so we can see what happens?
Yeah, you can make it
what you're doing.
bigger. So that just made it slightly. This coding thing opens up a lot of opportunity, because in countries like the Philippines that I've been to, there's a lot of homeless people, and if they were just to get their hands on a computer, they could get $200,000-$300,000 in a salary, and it's a really big opportunity for people like minorities and women.
CSS and coding may help me get job opportunities because women, they usually didn't used to have job opportunities as much as men have, because they just didn't think that they were smart enough to do coding and to create cute computer science. But now I've learned CSS and I've learned coding, and I'm only 12, so it could help me with job opportunities in the future.